yet another weekend ride after a long time. Feel free to check out some interesting stuffs like the Moto Mods playlist, Riding Across Sikkim Gurudongmar series, Moto Touring Stuffs playlist, Let's Talk series, and many more. The 900 kilometers ride in 16 hours and weekend ride to the Snake Village are a few hot ones. Do not forget to check out the exhaustive Sikkim Gurudongmar Old Silk Route ride guide. And do share, subscribe, and enjoy.
No, it's not early morning now. It's neither in the middle of the night. There are so many cars and there is so much traffic. It's actually around 9:30 p.m. now and I'm heading to my friend's place, Sumanjan's place. So that tomorrow me, Sumanjan and Nilabja, three of us can tag along together and then meet up at Satragachi. So Satragachi is the place where United Riding Brothers, our group, is going to come, and then we ride from there together. And people are pretty excited too, going by the WhatsApp group chats and everything, and that makes me all the way more excited. Let's wait for tomorrow morning.
Both my motorcycle and the Dominar are ready. Just look at how my motorcycle has been packed up, huh?
But my luggage has been not packed up. It's in my...
Yeah, that's the hero with our luggage.
By the way, the motorcycle is loaded not with my bags. This bag is Sumanjan's and that's the only bag that I have. So that's why it's looking so loaded. It's right now 4:37. I wanted to reach Satragachi bus stop within 4:30 because that's why my other friends from URB would be. But then I hate getting late, and you know why I got late. You know why I got late. Chotarde turn. That just turns up the heat. You know what I'm going to say right now. You have been following my past few vlogs, but yes, I'm going to say that once again. Well, this is the Vidyasagar Setu, and just below this place is the Prinsep Ghat, which is the most favorite part of my city. So I love Prinsep Ghat a lot. It's a wonderful place. I mean, while Kolkata is a very busy city, the Prinsep Ghat offers you tons of opportunity to relax. So it's 5:12 right now, 5:13 in fact, and I hope they have left, because every riding group should have a time set and they should move according to it. It's easier for the whole group. So yeah, I missed the bandwagon. That's my fault, absolutely. Hello, Satragachi থেকে just 1 kilometer দূরে. So it's nice of them. Saurav just called me. Woo! That's the celebrity of the moment.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Welcome দাদা। আরে
এটা কি আগে দাও?
Life is tough enough. সেরা আমেরিকান স্টাইল। God, really very bad accident. Oh my God, the bike is, look at the condition of the bike. Ride safe, friends, ride safe. And if motorcycling is your love, then you gotta ride safe. You just don't want to end your love story right there. That's our Golu Mulu Kilian rider. That's the whole group right there. ক্যামেরাটা এই রাস্তাতেই পড়েছে কোথাও, দাঁড়া খুঁজে আসি।
পড়ে গেছে রাস্তায়।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
ওরা কেউ
2 মিনিট আগে আমি দেখলাম। চ
অনলাইনে খুঁজাচ্ছে, একটা গাড়িওয়ালা পড়ে গেছে। তোমার না কি একটা পড়ছে সেই কিনটায়, ওই সেটা কুচিয়ে গেছে, দেখো কুচিয়ে সাইড হয়ে চলে আসছে।
So yeah, I lost my gear once again. Here's the Get Up 2. I can now break it up and open it and show all the parts of this Get Up 2 to you. This is the second camera that I lost. I'm feeling so bad, but I can do absolutely nothing about this. But enjoy the trip ahead. That's about it. Next stop would be Tajpur. The temperature right now is 32 degrees centigrade. The time is 7:40. Okay, camera check, microphone check. That camera is in front of me. Money bag check, power bank check. Everything is fine. Let's roll. Yeah. It's the Dominar time.
আমি গান গাইছিলাম, সুমন পালিয়ে গেল রে।
So yeah, I have ridden the Dominar previously, but then for the first time I'm riding it on the highway. ঠিক আছে। Without any doubt, it's meant for the highway. Riding in the city in Kolkata, I did ride this Dominar and I did not like it that much. Not like it. It was good enough, but then an FZ or a Pulsar 200 RS is pretty much flickable in the traffic. The Dominar is not that flickable. You already know it's more of a tourer, and the seating position is extremely comfortable. So yeah, let me enjoy the Dominar ride. I did not yet rev it up that high. I'm just cruising at 80 or 82. Should I do a speed run? I'm just wondering. Okay, let's keep the track on the speed. It's 76 right now, and here we go! Woo! So that was a simple 104 of the speed so easily, man. So this is from where you take a right turn from Nandakumar till Digha, Tajpur, Mandarmani, everything is the same direction. This is what I hate while riding a Dominar. So this is a single lane highway now. I love this road because this road does not have any pothole. This is a narrow one for sure, but then it does not have any pothole. What was that? Beji. That was a mongoose. Wheelie korbo ekta wheelie? Hey! আরে সুমন জন্য মোটরসাইকেলে দারুণ পাওয়ার না। এই এটা চালাতে হবে আমাকে, এটা চালাবো আমি ওখানে গিয়ে। So it's 34 degrees now. The time is 8:20. Yeah, the heat is catching up. What's the problem? What's the problem? So what I felt nice about URB, there will always be people who are ready to wait for you. There you see something. Whoa, man! That was a wheel cover coming out of that car. I mean, this is such a busy road, and Mondamuni, Tajpur, these are all the popular weekend destinations, and I think these roads should be made wider. A single lane simply doesn't work on these roads. So we're just halting here for an ATM at Tajpur and around. You are not going to get any ATMs or cash available, and most of the places do not accept any card. The temperature is increasing every minute. It's approximately 9 AM now, and it's 35 degrees. So yeah, we need to reach fast now. So when the motorcycle stops, the temperature was 38 degrees within a matter of seconds. Now when it started running, it's like 35. It's dropping very fast. Yeah, the wind is making a hell lot of difference. It's pretty hot right now, and it's around 34 degrees centigrade. So definitely we are taking a lot of breaks because we don't need to rush, right? It's around just what, 200 kilometers around. So yeah, Orko has already reached, I'm guessing. The celebrity Ornabda, who looks like more like Rishi Kapoor, he has also reached, and that's about it. The other URV members behind me having a nice time. We are it's around 37, 38, 39. So yeah, I would still say that the temperature is pretty much under control, you know, because when the heat is maximum, it gets around 40 plus is when you really need to worry. So that's another motorcycle that went to Vizag. Did a 900 kilometer trip. We have lots to talk. Let him talk on the phone first. So we have yet another one Apache and another KTM RC200 joining the group. It's raging all around. Look at the heat, and then the engine's raging like that. Tajpur is around 18 kilometers away. How wonderful would it have been if I could spend every weekend here? So we are about a kilometer away from Tajpur. So there you see, it says Tajpur to the right. So there is a hell lot of resorts around this place. Tajpur Beach View Resort, Lake View Resort, so many. These are all resorts around that you see. Obo Shore, that's yet another resort. So full of... What's that? Where's the Lake View Resort? In the meantime, let me just do a short beach ride. So finally, after a long time, we did find our place to stay. This is the lake view. Enough of parking places that we have. Our bikes need to be kept outside. That's what I'm feeling right now. ওখানে বাইক না আমি বলছি রুম আমাদের কোন দিকে ওইদিকে তো রুম ওইদিকে আমরা ব্যাগগুলো রাখার জন্য নিয়েছি দাঁড়াও ঠিক আছে So right now I'm outside the room in the hotel. So this is the hotel Lakeview. I just had a shower, but then the shower not be meaningful here, you know, because it's too hot and humid outside. And I think it would have been better, in fact, if I stay inside the AC room. Because once you come outside, it's sweltering hot. And right now it's afternoon, the sun is at the top of your head.
So these are our motorcycles parked right here, and the poolside view is good as well. It's not a pool, it's rather a lake. That's why the name is Lakeview. I heard that there would be a boating. There is boating here, but I don't see any such facilities here. It seems that most of this resort has been newly developed, and these are the cottages inside the resort. So you have options for these cottages in front of the Lakeview, or you have options for those deluxe suites. That's, I guess, 2 4-bedded deluxe suites. So I don't know what's at the end of this. We are staying in these 4-bedded suites.
মানে এটা মাসেল তো তৈরি করেছে আর সবথেকে বড় ধরো
So this is Tajpur, and if we cross over these little sand dunes, there's the sea right there. But I will not walk to the sea because it's pretty much far away, so we'll go to some other beach. that camera got broken. Yes, I could not take you into the sea and all. But look at this vast landscape, huh? How wonderful is that? So Kolkata practically has a very few places to go around. So yeah, I was there at the beach, enjoyed a lot. It was a wonderful day with United Riding Brothers. Just look around me. Tajpur was great. The fucking problem with this place is that you cannot call anyone for food. The weather is awesome right now. It's not raining, but it's cloudy. I have to walk to the whatever office or dining place they have. This place is huge actually. But then we're at one end. Okay. This was the boating thing that I was talking about. But then if you need some food, you cannot call anyone. I did not explore it that well. I was busy exploring other places. Although this place is wonderful, this is so quaint and so nice. Wow. And this is the office. That guy there, he did arrange all the things we wanted. Let's just take a small trip around this place. This Lakeview Resort is huge and perfect to come here, partner or with your family. See the width. I mean, there is a lake here. I won't walk the distance, but then yeah. I mean, there is one big lake here and there is another big lake there. People are even fishing here. I won't say that I had a great time here, obviously, because I would have wanted the beach to be near and close. So the beach is pretty far away from here, but the views are wonderful.